Okay, today we're doing a unboxing and setup of the SUFAUY 3-tier stackable can organizer because I no longer have a pantry and I need things to be organized. Instructions. Any screws. Make sure we have hardware. There it is. I hear it. And of course, no screwdriver. Be right back. Why you save your tools from other projects. Okay, so this is a piece. A. This is B. This is C. Well, one of C. There are 3 C's. And then these are the other 2 C's. The first thing they want us to do is put our screws, which are D, into frame C. Into the foot of A, sorry. So this is A. Okay, I see. I'm not sure if you know, but when you're putting things together, you don't screw them in all the way. You go like 3/4 of the way. Until it's all the way put together. And then you tighten it up all the way. Just make sure that you have space and everything doesn't end up all kitty-wampus. So really only has I'm assuming this is the bottom. So that's what it was like by the pictures. I'm going a bit off book. So it kind of makes sense, but I should probably follow directions because they're there for a reason. So we put all the C's on first. Not get ahead of ourselves. That's where I get in trouble. I think I put it on upside down. I did. the lip goes up, friends. Not down. Which makes sense. That's why instructions are usually words and pictures, because, yeah. Good thing I wasn't too far. That would have sucked to figure out after it was already put together. Okay, it goes up to hold the cans in. Smart. Of course, these things are easier when you have 2 people, but we don't, so. We start the 6-minute mark to get an accurate time, but I'm hoping to get this put together in under 15 minutes. It seems fairly easy. I do have a variety of can sizes to try on the rack so you can see what fits and what doesn't. We are 3/4 of the way there. One more piece to put on. 6 more screws and we're done. On the right way. I think it is, but it might. I did these before I did my nail videos, because these little tiny screws would have been hard. Of course, I got this one at an angle. Please don't fall. Ah! Didn't go too far. Three more screws left. then tighten everybody up, and we're just at 10 minutes. And that includes me unboxing it, going to find my screwdriver, screwing up once, looks like they give you an extra screw as well, which is nice because things do drop, as you saw, and end up in the ether or floorboards or crevices. We have hardwood floor, so sometimes screws will fall between the tiny cracks and they're lost forever. Just tighten the screws now. We're at 11 minutes, a little over 11. So I will say it probably takes 10 minutes or less to set up. Doesn't wobble, which is nice. I will step back and show you guys the finished product. I'm gonna try some cans. These are standard size cans. So I think they can kind of customize the size of cans that you put on there. This is a larger can. And then I think I have, let's see, tuna will fit. Yeah, tuna, not so much unless you do it that way, but they will slip through the grates. So it's a no on tuna. Just about every other can size fits. Probably no on tuna. Hey, tomato paste is good, so everything fits except for tuna fish.
Organizer for the cans that my wife bought. We are going to buy another one because I just could tell we like to know how the cans saved up just in case. So we're going to fix everything up and might get a couple more because this is pretty cool. But we're going to actually do it differently. This is just for you guys to see and have an idea. I give it a 5-star, but when I fix up my little dispensary for my cans and everything else, it's going to look much better. But I give this a 5. That's cool.